Oyster is my current book. It's a nonfiction book about travel. And the reason I wrote it was because when I was about to travel to Europe, I went to the bookstores and I went to the library to find something that would address all the questions that I had about traveling to Europe and travel in general, and no such book existed. And so most of the books out there about travel are about specific places, you know, all you need to know about New York City, all you need to know about Paris, London, and things like that. But it does not talk about, you know, what you should expect, how you pack, how you get good deals, all those kinds of things. So I said, I'm going to write a book about all those things. I have been a few places, and so I do have a little bit of credibility. So yes, I've been to Istanbul, Turkey, all through Turkey. I've been to Rome, been to Berlin in Germany, Paris, London. That's abroad. Went to Africa in January, South Africa, and all through the United States I've been. A lot of people tell me, oh, I have this idea, and I always encourage them and say, you need to just take your idea and run with it. And a lot of advice says you have to write every day, even if you're not writing every day, but when you get an idea or when you see something that inspires you, or you know, write it down and just jot it down and take all your notes one day and just take a day just to do some prose and just see, once you get started, it's hard to stop.